This is Apple's newest and lowest priced smartphone, the iPhone 16e. It's meant to be a budget-friendly iPhone for people who haven't upgraded phones in a while. Let's unbox the iPhone 16e together. This phone comes in two different color options, black and white. Inside of the box, you'll find the product documentation, a USB-C cable and SIM card removal tool, and there is the phone itself. The black color looks very sharp in person. That's a quick comparison with the iPhone 15 Pro model. The display on this phone is just over 6 inches of viewable real estate. That's because this has a bit thicker bezels. On the one side, you'll find the action button and the volume buttons. On the other side, the power button. The bottom of the phone has the speakers and the USB-C input. There is no camera control on this phone, which is a feature exclusive to the iPhone 16 lineup. But the camera has a unique feature where it's actually a bit of a 2-in-1 camera. More on that in my full review. iPhone 16e has a couple of firsts for the company, including Apple's first in-house designed cellular modem. The big change here is you should get much better battery life when connected to 5G networks using Apple's latest modem. And excellent battery life is a theme that runs throughout this phone. It's rated for 32 hours of video playback, and in my testing, it was no problem to use this phone all day without having to worry about a charge, and that also has to do with the A18 processor. This is the same processor that's in the iPhone 16 models and just helps your phone run at its most efficient, whether you're in game mode or you're dipping into some of those AI features inside of Apple Intelligence. And that's the other big thing about this device. While it's meant to be a more plain, simple-to-use phone, it does have all of those Apple Intelligence features that can help you with things like photo editing, image generation, or some of those handy writing tools to fix up the spelling or the tone of voice on anything that you are typing on the phone. Though I don't think that's the main point of any of this. This is just something that Apple wants to be available to people who are upgrading this phone, because I'm guessing they're thinking people who are using this budget-friendly phone are also people who don't upgrade very often. Therefore, they're going to have this for a long time. Therefore, they're going to want to make sure that people have all these latest features, which Apple is heavily investing in the future of Apple Intelligence. That is a quick unboxing and overview of the iPhone 16e. For more on this, make sure to hit up my YouTube channel for the full review, and let me know in the comments section what you think of the new iPhone 16e model.